So at C&E Marketing, we're in our design center in Tampa. We have two locations, a Tampa location and one in Sunrise, Florida, which is just outside of Fort Lauderdale. The Tampa location is a little bit larger. This room that we're in today is our training room, theater room, conference room. It's a little bit of everything. The way we have it configured now is as an experience center for AVPro Edge. We've got a handful of products on display featuring the AVPro Edge, as well as multiple products from our other manufacturers as well, so the dealers can see, touch, feel, and hear, more importantly, experience the products in their use.
C&E Marketing has been a partner, and they transcend what the typical rep firm does. They don't just show us products, give us a price and a catalog. They are partners with us on our day-to-day business and an invaluable part of what we do day-to-day.
When AV integrators come and visit our showroom, they'll see that it's more than just a showroom, it's a design center. And it's geared toward allowing these integrators to bring their architects, their designers, their builders, and even their end users to come experience many of the different technologies that we have on display here. When integrators come and visit our Experience Center, they're going to have access to a number of different technologies provided by AVPro Edge. We have a video wall matrix system set up here. We have an 8x8 video distribution system with down mixing.
It really comes down to seeing it to believe it, right? It's so easy to go online and look at any piece of electronics and read the specs and say, yeah, that sounds great. And then you get that product and it's not very good at the things it says it's going to do.
So rather than saying, I'm not sure, rather than giving a false, confident statement that, oh yeah, it'll work, trust me, they don't have to. They can bring their gear here, they can plug it in, and they can tell me why AVPro is the best product out there.